Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a digital vision board using a website called Canva. So you want to go to canva.com, and if you don't already have an account, you want to create one. It is free to use. The other thing that you want to do is start collecting any of the images that you want to be including on your vision board. So maybe going to Pinterest or Google or any of your previously saved images on your computer. And what I've done is I've already created a little folder here just on my desktop of any of the images that I know I'm going to want to include, including the vision board template provided by Bloom. Now, if your computer is slow like mine, you might have trouble seeing these initially, but you can tell that they are here. They just need to load a little bit. But you can see here is the blank vision board that we're going to be using. So all of these are saved and just off to the side for when I want them. You're going to come back to canva.com and you're going to click Create a Design. The dimensions for an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper are 3300 by 2550 pixels. So you're going to click Create Design. That's going to pop up in a new window here. So here's my blank new document. What I've done is I've already come in here ahead of time and uploaded the images that I wanted. But if you'd like to do that, you're going to go down here to the side, click Uploads, and then click Upload Image or Video. You can upload one image at a time, or if you want to be a little bit more efficient, you can upload all of the images at once. So just kind of highlight them all and then press Open. Since I've already done that, I'm just going to go in here and find the ones that I want. And I didn't mean to click that one, so you'll just press Delete. But I'm going to come and find the vision board template image. And you can either just click on the image itself, or you can actually drag and drop it over here like that. Once it's here, I'm going to expand it so that it fills the entire screen. And it might not be perfect, but as long as everything is covered, it's covering all the white space, then that's good enough. Now, because I want this background to stay in place and not be moved around or edited based on what I add on top, I'm going to come up here and press Lock. So that makes sure that this stays exactly where it is. Now's the fun part. Now I can go in and add my different images on top of this. So I'm going to pull some of the different images that I want. So let's say I want to add this one and it's too big. So I'm just going to pull in any of the corners and make it bigger. And then I can turn it around, reposition it wherever I want. So I like clicking on the image that I want versus dragging and dropping, because one of the things that can happen, I'll show you an example, is let's say I'm dragging and dropping that and it accidentally takes the place of this other image. So I can press undo, and then the best way to prevent that is to just click on the image that you want to add versus dragging and dropping it. I can also add my own text. So if there isn't an image for whatever it is that I want to say, I can go in and click Text, and then let's just say add a heading. And let's say I want it to read meditate more. But I don't necessarily love that text, so I'm going to come up here, and then I'm going to be able to scroll through their different options. So they have a pretty good selection to choose from. I'm going to go with this one. I think that one's pretty and it's nice and readable. So I'll move that here, and then I'm going to change the color. Let's say purple. So once you have your vision board exactly the way you want it, all you have to do is you can retitle it. Whatever you want to call it, and then press save. So it's going to default to PNG, which is perfect. That's what I want. And I'm going to press download. Now it automatically downloads here. So once, this is a little ad, you can click out of that, but you have your vision board saved here. So then you can use this by putting this on your desktop, and you can look at it every day, or you can print it out, you can continue to add to it, whatever you want to do. But that's how to create a digital vision board using canva.com. Can't wait to see what you've created.